Well, you guys, if you're not subscribed to the page, go ahead and subscribe to the page first off. Drop a like on this video, thumbs up, and drop a comment about what you want to see done or changed about this car. One thing you want me to do to it, or you think I should do to it. Give y'all a quick little update in this video. I don't think we're gonna do much working in this one, mainly just talking and going over the car, some things we've done, such as getting all the glass installed. As you can see, I did take the driver fender off because, as y'all remember, it was just coming in way too much contact with this door, and it really just pissed me off, so I had to take it off for a minute just so we could open this door and stuff like that. We did get all the modules mounted back here, which is good. Inside, we got all the glass finally back in here. That's good. Yeah, basically what we've been doing on this car so far is getting all the glass put in and trying to fix all the things that are wrong on these swaps, which I've never done one of these challengers before, so this is all news to me, but we're learning as we go. So all these wires are not mounted in their correct spots, so this was not here. They had the older style panel up in here, which that does not allow you to mount that sensor into it. These sensors need to be mounted. This needs to be something done with it. I'm sure this airbag down here. Yeah, we got another sensor down here. And I'm sure this is airbag right there. So that needs to be fixed. Got seatbelt back here. I don't know where this seatbelt is supposed to mount, so I'm still trying to figure that out. I have no idea where these seatbelts go. Somebody drop a comment or something, tell me where these go. Other than that, we got the console somewhat in there. Looks kind of terrible on this side, I guess. The carpet just didn't come out good right there. I don't know why that looks like that, but it does look pretty bad. We'll see if we can get that a little bit sorted, but I don't really know how that got too messed up like that. I know we're rocking the right carpet. I've tried to change out all the carpets, but the 2013 plus carpets don't work in this car for some reason. So that is just like the thing that sucks about when people use these older body styles to swap into, is all these like mounting points are not there for stuff. So it just makes everything a lot harder. But we're going ahead and we're getting it all put back to how it should be, or the best we can. Like, this console is still a little shaky, but I mean, that's just how it's gonna have to be. At least it's mounted, unlike beforehand where it wasn't even mounted down here. I didn't have this mount in, and I don't know how we're gonna mount the BCM right now up there. I mean, completely got a solution for that just yet, but we're gonna figure something out. Next, we got this seatbelt already put in there, which is nice. We need to go ahead and get this seatbelt put in, but I am missing that spacer right there, that bolt, and that little lock thing. So I need to find one of those. But this seatbelt has a hole through it, so probably just need to get a new seatbelt actually. See, we're wearing a seatbelt. Well, we're gonna get back to work. We're gonna see what we can get done on this thing. Hopefully we can make a little bit of progress. I think instead of the interior next, we're gonna try to move on to the outside, because we need to mount the exhaust I think that's one of our main things that is making so much noise while we're driving, is the exhaust not being mounted correctly. Luckily, I have an exhaust donor that we can get parts from, but if you'll notice, right there, those mounts are just cut. So we need to try to get them mounted correctly. Also, the guy I bought this from said that apparently one of the subframe bolts in the front and rear could have fallen out. He says he don't remember if he put it back in there or not, so that's very scary, knowing that I've been driving this thing pretty fast already without that stuff in there. Another thing we need to do is take off this rear wheel, take this liner out. They've only put one liner in here in this car, and it's that liner, and I'm assuming it's because there's sensors or stuff inside of that quarter panel. So we need to get that taken out and fixed up so we can get this thing back on track. But y'all stay tuned, subscribe to the page, follow and like, because next video we're gonna have a bunch of updates on this thing, have badges. Hopefully we can actually drive this thing, like really drive this thing, because these cars are supposed to be pretty nice little cars. So I'd like to make it back to that, at least. Something that'll go decently fast and handle a little bit. Because the Jeeps don't have really any handling to them. They're pretty planted as far as that goes. But these Challengers and Chargers seem to be a little bit more nimble and able to move around. So y'all stay tuned, follow the page, like, subscribe, comment. Tell me one thing I want to see me do to this car. So y'all stay tuned for the next one. Goodbye.